Hi Damien, how are you?
Hi Samir, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Can you believe it's almost 2024? Time really flies.
Absolutely. It's time to start thinking about our goals and plans for the new year.
I've been jotting down some ideas. This year, I want to focus on personal growth and wellness. Maybe take up a new hobby.
That sounds great. Any specific hobbies in mind?
I was thinking of trying my hand at photography. Capture the moments, you know? How about you? Any plans?
Well, I've been thinking about career goals. Maybe take on some additional courses to enhance my skills. Plus, it's about time I update my resume.
That's a fantastic idea. We can help each other stay accountable. How about setting some monthly milestones?
Sounds like a plan. We can check in regularly to track our progress.
Here's to a year of growth, success, and unforgettable moments.
May 2024 bring us closer to our dreams and aspirations.